A few weeks ago, I painted my factory wheels with HyperDip, and honestly, I liked the way it looked so much, I couldn't stop there. The original body color on the RAV4 wasn't terrible, but I felt like it just never fit the look I wanted for this build. So today, we're changing the entire exterior to Nardo Gray using a peelable automotive coating. No permanent paint, no body shop, just a DIY garage project. Today we're jumping back on the Project RAV4. In the last video, I changed the wheel color and I did that with a peelable paint. So I decided, why not change the entire color of the body to a lighter color? So I'm going to do a peelable paint, Plasti Dip from DipYourCar. I ordered the paint kit. We're going to be painting the vehicle today. I did take 2 days to prep this vehicle, and I'll explain that more as the video goes on. And I don't know if you can see the booth, but I'll also put a clip of my actual portable paint booth that I set up in my garage. It's about 8 a.m. right now in Arizona. It's going to be 107 today, so I want to start pulling the trigger and getting to work on this before it gets too hot. Let me go ahead and get the paint mixed. The first coat is only going to be about 50% coverage. It's not going to be a full wet coat. All the coats after that will be full wet coats. We are going to be using 2 colors because the first is the base coat or the foundation, which is called Avalanche Gray. And then we're going to move into the Nardo Gray, which is, I think is going to be a little bit darker than what you originally see. So we'll go ahead and get down the base coats and then we'll move on to the top coat. All right, the first coat is dry. Now we're gonna start with the wet coats. So I have like 6 gallons of paint, and it looks like if you fill up 3 cups, that'll take a whole gallon. So right now, 1 cup with the dry did the whole car. So I think now that I'm doing wet coats, it's probably gonna take a cup and a half, maybe closer to 2 cups to do my wet coats. But we'll check it out and we'll see what happens here. All right, guys, I am on the last gallon of top coat. So I sprayed 2.5 gallons of the base coat, and now I'm doing the 3rd gallon of the top coat. And this is, I kind of lost track. I think this is my 4th or 5th. I think it's my 4th full wet coat of the top coat. So follow along. I'm gonna put the last coat on, and then I came across a couple things during the process that I want to share with you at the end of the video. So stick around, and let's go ahead and get the last coat on here now.